Oh, I see him. Will he get off if you... You don't have a net?
No.
Micah, go hold his pole.
Micah, don't look.
Oh my god. This is not the type of bonding trip I wanted.
What are you doing?
Making bracelets.
It's fun.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, and do it twice for every color. So you want 2 in strings.
Uh-oh, I did it bad. Uh-oh. I did it really bad.
Oh, it's okay. Whenever that happens, you just find it and then pull it out the other side.
I'm messing it up.
Is all well in Morgan Land?
This is more stressful than I thought it would be. Oh no, I pulled it all the way out. What was?
Oh, there were some ducks here whenever me and Carter were here. Wonder where they went. They're brown duckies.
Okay, I'm gonna give this
With brown
to you.
bills, I think.
I can't problem solve this.
Okay.
So I can just pull straight from... Come on!
Woohoo!
Oh, he's in the weeds.
Hey, you're not making it down.
Yep.
Help.
Do you need help?
I'll jump in. Just tell me.
Uh-oh, is he stuck?
Oh, God. Slow down.
Swim.
Did he swim right back in?
Yeah.
Yep. Oh, I see him. Will he get off if you... You don't have a net?
No.
Micah, go hold his pole.
Micah, don't look.
Oh my god. This is not the type of bonding trip I wanted.
I thought you needed her to hold your pole.
Oh my God, there's a dead mole.
Ew. This is such a chaotic video. Micah, don't look. He did not hesitate to rip his pants off in front of you. I'm so sorry. Oh. Does it feel good?
Yeah, kind of.
Come on, Kobe, you can do it. Pave the way, put your back into it.
Kobe is the winner, man.
Uh-oh, uh-oh. Slippery. Wow, that's a big one. Did you catch yourself? Yeah, you did. Hang on, I'm coming. How can I help?
Just give me a. You recording?
Yeah, I'm recording. You're in your underwear, but I'm recording. Hold it up higher so it's not your underwear.
Welcome to Thompson Lake. It's been a fun little lake. As you can see, there's a bunch of cutthroat in here. They're struggling though, so I caught 3. now I'm finished for the day. And then there's the dead mole in the water. What a vlog. What are y'all doing? Making...
Yeah, I'm making bracelets.
Wow.
Micah taught me just now. So she says she picks 3 colors as the theme for the day. So this is my shirt, and the Quakies, and the pine trees.
The Quakies?
Yeah, they're
Oh,
called Quakies.
oh, gotcha.
So the 2 different greens are the 2 different trees. And my shirt.
Fun.
The bees like my shirt today.
Yeah, they are bad. This is a really cool lake though.